Robot Cobot palletizing solution. Flexible mobility. Can be pushed by one person. Centered around the C are a series cobots. Each component adopts a modular design. Easy to install. Plug and play. And convenient deployment. The entire palletizing workstation can be set up in 30 minutes, achieving a palletizing speed of 813 items per minute. Utilizing Robot's self-developed palletizing process package, no programming is required. Configure it swiftly in 5 simple steps. Equipped with 3D display capabilities, the configuration process is clear at a glance. This palletizing solution supports dual suction mode, enabling the placement of 2 boxes at once, significantly improving palletizing efficiency. Supports the retrieval and placement of dividers, enhancing palletizing stability. Customizable palletizing order and entry directions for boxes, suitable for a variety of complex palletizing scenarios. Robot Cobot palletizing solution meets palletizing requirements across different industries, maximizes the reduction of your integration difficulty and investment costs.